Welcome to Off Grid from the Ground Up, Foundation Part 2. Once we had drilled all the holes and set all the rebar cages, it was finally time to refill the holes with concrete. Because we had drilled the holes with an auger bit, they were round, and we knew that we wanted the top of our piers to be square or rectangular to make it easier to drop the siding over them. So what that meant was that I had to build concrete forms. And right now, as we are doing this project, lumber is of course very high priced. Fortunately, I am a shameless dumpster diver, so I drove around to all of the hardware and lumber stores in our area and asked permission to go through their dumpsters for scrap. And I wound up with about 3/4 of the lumber that I needed. We used 2x8 in order to make these 12-inch by 12-inch square forms. So I strongly recommend that practice to anyone looking for odds and ends. I had my trusty sidekick with me helping as I made the concrete forms. Here she is pounding stick nails into pre-drilled holes. Our driveway is still pretty steep, so we were under the impression at the time, more on that in Foundation Part 3, that we wouldn't be able to get a concrete truck up. So we purchased the aggregate in bulk, and I bought cement to add in 90-pound sacks. We had also purchased a cement mixer attachment for our skid steer, which is pretty cool. And here you can see it at work as we started to pour the piers. We had our contractor friend and a former student of mine actually helping on this project. It took us about 4 hours to get 7 of the 30 piers poured and form boards and brackets set. Eventually, 4x4 posts, pressure treated, will go in those brackets and we'll be able to start building up, which is really exciting. Thanks so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share if you want to keep seeing content from Off Grid from the Ground Up.